I'm Jared.
Hello, Jared. This is Pedro. This is Grace's dad. Hello?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. Who's this?
I'm Jared.
Hello, Jared. This is Pedro. This is Grace's dad.
Oh, it's good to talk to you.
Oh, sorry I can't meet you in person because I'm at work. So at least
Oh,
I get to see your face, but you don't get to see mine.
All right.
Where you guys going?
I think we're gonna go to the Roadhouse and then maybe a movie.
Okay, which movie you guys gonna go see?
Hello?
Hello, my young daughter. Just hold on 1 minute. What movie you guys gonna go see?
Toy Story.
Okay, roughly what time you guys gonna be coming home?
The movie's at 7, probably before 11.
Oh, I heard 10:30. Okay, that's good.
Works for me.
All right, so just make sure you treat her correctly because that's my first daughter.
You don't have to worry, sir.
All right. All right. I got a good picture of you.
All right.
All right. Call me if anything.
Okay.
And remember, I know people everywhere, so they're looking at what you guys are doing.
Okay.
All right. Love you.
All right, bye.
What time you coming home?
Before 11.
Okay, I heard 10:30 again.
Okay.
So I'll see you later. And remember, I know what time the movie starts again?
Oh my God.
7:20.
7:20.
7:20. Movie ends like around 9:15. Yeah, so before 10:30.
Okay, 11 o'clock.
10:30.
11.
Don't make me look for you, because I will. You know I will.
Okay, 11.
All right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll talk to you later.
All right, bye.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to talk to you.
All right, talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
All right, you have enough money?
What?
You have enough money?
Hard.
But technically, you don't have to pay. Jordan, hold on. You don't have to pay, so you'll be okay. So
Okay.
I'll talk to you later.
All right.
Hey, go take a picture of his license plate.
What?
All right?
No.
So I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Oh my God, bye.
Jordan, take a picture of his license plate of his car right now before they leave. No, they're still in front of the house. I'm watching. I'm talking to them. Take a picture right now. You better open the door. Good job on opening the door, her. Take the picture. Just take pictures of the car when they drive away. It's very simple. You got it? All right, thank you. Can you send me the picture license plate?